Hello there. The world needs 60% more food by 2050. We want to meet this challenge without compromising the future. So, we five entrepreneurs, Abhishek Pradhan, Vishal Aryal, Kapil Karel, Suman Giri, and me, Gokul Karki, have come up with a new idea and the concept to optimize the agriculture production and meet the 60% more demand food by 2050. The product name is Sensing Plus for Agriculture. Now I'd like to explain more about about our product. The product consists of farm sensors, mobile app, and a farmer support service. Whenever these sensors work in the farmlands, a group of sensors in one location uh, collect the information and make up a node which communicates wirelessly with a gateway on the farm. And through this gateway, the information of the on-farm conditions goes to the farmer's hand. That means the farmers get the information through the mobile app that he uses. The farm sensors detects the on-farm conditions irrespective of the terrain, infrastructure, or vegetation. This product senses, records, analyzes, and predicts the farm conditions. After the farmers get the information, then he can contact the our farmer support service through which he can get the technical support from data scientists, agriculturists, and the engineers team. That means we have the team of engineers and agriculturists and data scientists that help to solve the farmers' problem. Our product has been launched in Tasmanian farmlands recently, and about 100 of the products have been working there, and we are getting a good response from the farmers. And we want to launch this product all out Australia, so as to optimize the production and agriculture production and mitigate the risks and minimize the waste that come up with agriculture. Now I like to call my friend Suman Giri to further explain about the product. Thank you.
So why the product? Like any other innovative product in the market, our product Sensing Plus has also got the innovative idea of solving the farming issue and also helping to mitigate the starvation problem that may arise in the near future. So our product mainly focuses on solving the farming issues that they're facing in the present world. Many farmers in Australia, they are deprived of being the production because of the lack of information of the infield condition of their field. So now our product will give the regular and updated data to the farmers 24/7, 365 days, regular data through the mobile apps to the farmers, so that they will be able to know about their infield conditions of the farm, and they can do the cultivation, harvesting, and necessary treatment in the field as per the need. Along with the products, along with providing the infield condition of the infield condition to the farmers, our product has also supported the farmers by providing the technical expertise of our data analysts and the scientists to the by analyzing the data and giving the best solution to the farmers that they need for solving the issues in the farmland. So our products will also minimize and mitigate the farmer risk as well. So how this idea is monetized and commercialized. So our main idea of generating the revenues from the product is by selling the sensors package. The sensors package, they vary from the demand of the customers, that is our farmers, and as per their need. So apart from selling the sensors, we are also providing them the monthly subscription of our mobile apps, which will work in both iOS and Android form. And apart from and with the two services, we'll also provide the farmers with our technical support and expertise, which will be free for 3 months of installation, and we will charge them the regular charges after that. And like any other product, we have also focused in gaining the revenues from our maintenance, which will include the maintenance of the sensors and hardware. Thank you. So I would like to call my friend Vishal for continuing the pitching. Thank you.
Now talking about financial feasibility of the product. The cost of the single product is 2,000, which is quite reasonable price. And we have also done the financial feasibility analysis. Through that, we have calculated the break-even point, which is 150 units. And we can get the break-even point after 7 months so it is good for the success of our business. Furthermore, we have calculated the return of investment, and which is 1.02. That is quite impressive. And talking about operational feasibility, we have allocated the different resources for the support of the farmer. They are agriculture engineer. We have also provide farmers training regarding the information of the product and the use of the product through the technical team. We have also online and on-site assistance for the use of the product to the farmer, its scope and scalability of the product. We have already launched 100 Sensing Plus product for the initial testing phase. So we are getting the positive feedback from the farmer, and we are also getting the positive feedback from the farmers. So we are getting the promising supplier for the meeting of our demand. And now I'd like to call Mr. Abhishek Acharya for the further part of pitch.
Yeah, when we go through the business model, and like our product is getting the good feedbacks from the farmers and operating well, exceptionally well in the field of Tasmanian farmland. So we believe that our value proposition is exactly meeting our business model. And for the customer relationship, we are frequently generating the trainings to the drillers and the farmers. And when we are talking about the factors we are seeking from the investors, as we have the valuation of the asset is like 500K, and we want 150K. That's 30% of the total valuation of asset, and that we will be using for the marketing and the production expenses. And also we would like to have active investors, so they will help us in solving the different sort of issue when we come along with the marketing and the different sorts of assets. And when we talk about the return, we are getting the proper feedbacks from the farmers and the product operation, and we like to provide 20% of our equity for the investors as a return. And finally, I would like to present my friend, Mr. Kapil, to go all along.
Thank you, my friend. Now I will explain about our cash flow projection for this project. So after discussion with our team members, we have analyzed our income and expenses for this project. And after analyzing those things, for 2 years, like for the year 2020 and 2021, we have divided this cash flow projection in two groups: projected income and expenses. In projected income, subscription income and product income are included. In the year 2020, it seems 950K our total income, but in the year 2020, it seems like 1.3 million, which is increased in the ratio. So talking about the expenses, there are a minimum 6 criteria for expenses. For example, inventory, electricity, and other maintenance and technical cost. So it seems 240K has been spent for staffs in 2020 and increased by certain amount up to 350K in dollar in 2021. So it seems after discussion with our cash flow projection, the net income we got in 2020 is 395K, and in 2021 which has been increased up to 550K. So this shows us our product is valuable and can be invested. So I, from the behalf of our team, want to assure our investor that we will be always putting our product first to make success in this area. Thank you.